Johar, welcome back to Santal International Association channel, a small step towards bringing all Santals across the world closer. सनम कोगे सगुंदरम आप सबका फिर से स्वागत है अड़ी अड़ी सारहाव आपे आलिया वीडियो पे कुसिया कना नौका गे आरहो बेस बेस वीडियो अगुई लगित तेले कुरुमुटुआ कना Thank you for watching us and we promise to bring more interesting and meaningful videos to you. Please keep watching, sharing and liking. तेहें दो जगत आदिवासी माह कना देला मित झलक बोन नेला नवा दिन रे आले चेत कोले चिका किया. Please watch a glimpse of how we are trying to keep the spirit of the World Indigenous Day. We started with Kids Santali language online class with kids from America, Canada and Qatar, followed by a brief message from Dr. Dhuni Soren and concluded with a melodious song, a poem on Old Chiki and a surprise traditional Tumda beat. Kids Santali online class was launched 3 weeks back with the goal of keeping Santali language alive and vibrant among overseas Santals. We hope more families will join us in this movement. Let us watch Mino in action.
Singun pe, jotor nyenoi kena pe, chalo ape deke main to je, chalo meet, bar, sun, ore, turun, ian, ida. Ragape और ओधपे ऑटो रगापे चितन कोई पे अलग अड़क और अड़ी भागी रट ने लास्ट कहू दा ए न्यू किया है and कहू दा ते तांगताय चाबा ये ना चलो विना कहू कहू अड़ी कुसी एनाय काबो काते ए उडवेना એટલે કોણ ચેક किया दिस हुदिस आर गुरुमुटु ते कमी लेखान जितकर आबोन.
This is Jhadeshwar Murmu's All Chiki session. Jhadeshwar Murmu goes through the All Chiki alphabets, also shows them how to write with revising previous alphabets learned. Again, Mino Murmu with her favorite part of arts and crafts. She shows them how to make a crow and will use this in next class to continue the learning. Oh, nata saya udah kan ya nih. Nata saya mudik ya.
Bang nata di sana di mana?
Mudik kau sana ada itu.
Okay, good.
Now, let us listen to a message from Dr. Dhuni Soren.
Call me Onba with respect and love. So you children, you can call me Haramba or Koromba. So that's two words, another word to learn. So I'm very pleased to join your class. I was very happy to see and I learned few things, but it takes me longer to remember because I'm old man. But you children will remember quickly. Now, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the indigenous people. So first of all, who are the indigenous people? You'll be surprised. You are indigenous people. I'm indigenous. A lot of our people behind at home, they are indigenous. Similarly, there are too many indigenous people in the world. So in fact, I've got the figure. There are more than 470 million indigenous people living in 90 countries. And 70% of them live in Southeast Asia. That means Indian subcontinent and beyond. And of those, mostly live in India. And India is a big country, so there are a lot of indigenous people. But unfortunately, the India government doesn't recognize us as indigenous people, not even Adivasi. So what they call us? ST, that means scheduled tribes. The ST means by law, we are under schedule, so whatever the number, I don't know. But that's why they call us scheduled tribe, and all the benefits what we get is because of that. But you and me, we know ourselves as the Adivasi. So commonly we are called by the Adivasi, but technically we are not Adivasi, especially for the government. So that's the difference, and you have to not to worry about it. We are Adivasi मैंने सबसे पहले जहाँ भी जो रहते थे आदिवासी होंगे. So not to worry too much about the technical side. Similarly, all the Adivasi living in their own countries, basically they are the people who started living initially, and the rest came from the outside. So that's in simple terms the Adivasi or indigenous people. Indigenous people is in fact a little bit technical thing. I didn't know we were indigenous until I started attending few United Nations forum. And even in the forum, I raised the question to why government in India does not recognize us. There is no response. When that topic I put on the group discussion, there were no representative of the government. So all these are technical things and we can't do anything. In India, our population is 80.3 million, which is a lot of people. That means that works out about 8.2% of the Indian population, which is more than billions. But I'm afraid, in spite of all that, although it sounds a lot of people, we are still voiceless. People don't listen our voice because we are not able to speak up. Majority, not you and me, but majority of people have no voice. They are not educated. So how do they start this indigenous day and why? So in fact, that was the idea of the United Nations. In 1994, they brought a resolution in the Assembly, General Assembly, I think they call it, and they passed it. And they decided we should observe all over the world Indigenous World Indigenous Day on 9th of August. And from the following year, they have been celebrating it. And what is the purpose of doing that? The first thing is to promote Adivasi and protect their rights. That's one aim. Now also, apart from protecting and promoting them, educating them, they also wanted to learn from Adivasi. Because we have such a good thing other society can learn, especially the way we live in jungle or wherever in the amongst the environment. So we have a lot of things to offer about environment. So that is the purpose of doing this every year. When you are growing up, look out around you and look for the opportunities and try to seek them. Just reading books, getting big is not enough. You have to look out outside, make friends with others as well, learn from them as well. So this is a little bit the story of the indigenous people. So if you are having any program today, we should enjoy it. And in future, you tell we can do better every year, just like we did the Hul Maha. And tell your friends as well who you are. And I make a point, whenever I go to the big meeting, I tell them my English people and friends, you see there's so many Indian, I'm the original Indian, and they just wonder, they want to know what he means. And I tell them all about it. So that's one way of telling others about ourselves. So anyway, good luck to all of you, and thank you for listening to me and giving me this chance. Thank you.
Thank you, Dunyobanba. Thank you from all of us. And now, to make the day little lighter, a melodious song by Rina Tudu from Doha, Qatar.
बिहार बेंगल आसाम ओडिसा झारखण्ड पनत बयहा बुहिन मी इगिया अरे चली मी डिगिया रोडाड़ा मी इगिया रे चली मी डिगिया रोडाड़ा बिहार बेंगल आसाम ओडिसा झारखण्ड पनत बयहा बुहिन मी इगिया रे चली मी डिगिया रोडाड़ा गुरु गंकेर हइले दाइ चिकिलियङ इत जहाँ दाडके दाली बाहा छोए नोइनी तो सावाई सटेरे गुरु गंकेर हइले दाइ चिकिलियङ इत जहाँ दाडके दाले बाहा छोए नोइनी तो सावाई सटेरे बिहार बेंगल आसाम ओडिसा झारखण्ड पनत बयहा बुहिन मी इगिया रे चली मी डिगिया रोडाड़ा
Nito dobon anjom lege, maina Murmu than khon, akin ayo ola, onhoria, ol chiki chitan re.
ओल चिकी जंगते जंगते जतो आड़ंग राड़ंग राड़ंग ओना सावते जानम आड़ंग तो हेर अकन दो ओना सावते जानम आड़ंग तो हेर अकन दो गो दलंग गलंग लंग बहायलंग जीवी परेज तोलो बदल सदो पस्नव राड़ंग राड़ंग तोलो बदल सदो पस्नव राड़ंग राड़ंग चोटरे मा रिमिली बहा ओतरे मा इचमुरुन सरजो बहा रेको गते यकन दो मतको बहा तेको उमुल कन दो ओना तला दे जानम अड़ंग रणंग राणंग अंकुरु वैसम दुड़ु नते दुड़ु अकन दो
Last but not the least, a nostalgic Dining Dupang from Jareswar Murmu. Jareswar Murmu playing traditional Tumda beat. Hindi pun kan
Ini sudah kan dia bawa dong. Rina